Hi, this is Alex from Beech Garage. We're delighted to be able to offer this 1974 Triumph GT6. As you can see, it's finished in a very striking candy red colour. Car has been completely restored. We have full photographic history detailing the restoration. Car sits on these really attractive period correct Dunlop alloy wheels, shod with really good tyres. Given the car's been comprehensively restored, you wouldn't be at all surprised that there's no rot anywhere at all on the car. It's all in really outstanding condition. Panel fit is excellent for a GT6. As you can hear, the car's been idling a little while, so electric fan has kicked in. Just pop the bonnet for you so that you can see the quality of the restoration. Bulkhead's in really nice condition. This can tend to be a bit tatty on these. Fantastic 6-cylinder burble. Car has overdrive on 3rd and 4th. Interior's been completely retrimmed, new carpets, beautiful walnut dashboard. So got an auxiliary oil pressure gauge, which is reading good. All in all, I think probably a unique example. If you've got any further questions at all, please get in contact with us at Beech Garage. Thanks for watching.